Top conversational AI companies to watch in 2022. 1. Amazon Lex. Amazon Lex is a conversational AI program that Amazon Web Services provides. With its powerful deep learning, Amazon Lex brings developers the same capabilities as the ever-popular Amazon Alexa. This service uses advanced natural language models to design and create conversational interfaces in various applications. 2. Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is an AI service that provides powerful virtual agents to help build conversational bots. It does not require any coding by the user to create these AI chatbots. Not only does Azure implement a wide array of impactful features, but it is also safe. Microsoft reportedly invests over $1 billion into cybersecurity and employs 3,500 security experts. 3. Meta's Messenger platform. Meta has created a conversational bot to allow businesses to respond to consumers through their social media site, Facebook. Meta's Messenger platform is equipped with conversational AI that eases the customer service process through Facebook pages. 4. Avamo. Named a leader in the IDC MarketScape for worldwide general-purpose conversational platforms, Avamo is undoubtedly an AI company to keep an eye on. Its goal is to be a full-stack conversational platform with deep NLU coupled with domain-specific machine learning algorithms. Avamo successfully lowered estimated caller wait time for consumers and facilitated efficient workflow. 5. Dialogflow. Owned by Google, Dialogflow is a developer of human-computer interface solutions. Whether using automated voice intelligence for customer service or chatbots for B2C conversations, Dialogflow describes itself as a, quote, lifelike conversational AI with state-of-the-art virtual agents. This interface can be implemented in many situations, like various web applications and interactive voice response systems. 6. Houndify. SoundHound, an audio and speech recognition company, has developed conversational AI software that uses advanced voice technology. Houndify provides all the tools needed for developers to create custom voice interfaces. It also has software that can be used on various platforms, from iOS and Android to JavaScript and Python, and has an extensive domain library to provide consumers with quick responses to specific inquiries. 7. Kore.ai. Kore.ai values itself as a pioneer of virtual AI-first assistance. From banking to sales, Kore.ai has received many accolades in the industry and was recently awarded as a leader in the 2022 Gartner Magic Conversational AI Platforms. Without a single line of code, Kore.ai can create virtual assistants with ease by using machine learning capabilities and 2 NLP engines. 8. inFeedo. inFeedo's goal is to create conversational AI that engages remote employees and prevents burnout through an AI bot named Amber. inFeedo's NLP engine builds rapport with employees using its intelligent interface to remember previous conversations. This software can also understand the conversation's intent to give empathetic feedback and dive further into potential employee issues. 9. AssemblyAI. AssemblyAI is used by many Fortune 500 companies, such as Spotify, the BBC, and the Wall Street Journal. This AI company researches and builds advanced models for speech and audio transcription. They are reportedly processing millions of audio files daily using their application programming interfaces. 10. Yellow.ai. Catering to over 1,000 companies worldwide, Yellow.ai strives to create a chatbot for business unlike any other. Yellow.ai's technology revolves around a proprietary NLP engine that understands the intent of an inquiry and provides human-like responses. This engine can provide consumers and businesses with these multilingual voice conversation agents in 10 days with no developer or data scientist required. Thank you for watching.